Now let's look at the distributives of the word half. Half. Now, the L is silent. Half. Half. And looking at that, I'm going to use some similar sentences from another lesson of all. And we're going to look at how does this work and what's going on. He ate half of the cookies. He ate half of the cookies. Half of the cookies are delicious. Half of the cookies are delicious. Now, if he ate half of the cookies, that means he left the other part, divided into two, and he ate one group of it and left the other group there. Half of the cookies are delicious. That could be an opinion, or the other half was really bad. But half of the cookies and not the other part. Now, half, yeah. Half, it refers to a group that's been divided into two. And usually it can also be used as a measuring type thing. Half of something, cut, divide, measure. Half a cup of milk, half a pint of water, half a package of something. So let's look at our sentence. We looked at before, the guests looked surprised. And that was all, but now half. Half of the guests looked surprised. The other half weren't surprised at all. Did he invite half of us to the party? Not all of us. Half of us? Now, which half? Did he invite only the men and not the women? Did he invite only the half that he gets along with? Some questions start coming up with using half. What's the intention of the person? Okay, now let's look at this wife. She's going to spend that money again, but not all of it. She spent half of the money her husband gave her. She spent half of the money. Now the question could be, what did she do with the other half? Is she saving it? Is she a wise shopper and she only needed to spend half of the money for everything that she bought? So it could be, what's happening? But half of the money, not all of it, just half, she divided it. Okay, let's look at our last sentence. We saw this one before about the skydiving. He tried half of the sports before he decided on skydiving. He tried half of the sports. So he didn't even have to try the other half. He didn't have to participate in them, not even think about it, not spend money on it. He found this one. So he tried half of the sports and he decided that's the one he wanted. Didn't have to do the other ones. So half, when a group is divided and we're working with just one part of the group.